today's video, I'll be pruning my cucumber plants. Cucumber plants are almost similar to tomato plants, and in between the stem, the main stem, and the leaf, there will be little vines that pop up, and those are called suckers. So here I'll show you what I mean. If you look right here, this is the main stem that's coming from the bottom, and this is a leaf right here, right? But in between the leaf and the main stem, we have a sucker, and we'll get rid of that one. And that's how you identify what suckers are. And sometimes some people actually allow these suckers to grow because they become their own vine, and they'll also produce cucumbers as well. But then everything goes out of hand and it gets a little messy. Let's start. So this is a sucker that we don't need. We'll get rid of it. And sometimes beginning gardeners, they have a hard time getting rid of these suckers because they get emotionally attached to their plants, which is understandable, but at the same time, you would have to get rid of these for a healthier plant. I'll also get rid of some of these bottom leaves right here, so we could get some light down there and some air down there. And there are like a couple little leaves that are touching the ground. They will lead to fungus, and then you have a diseased plant. We have another sucker right here. Let's get rid of the sucker. Get a couple more leaves out of there. There you go. And we have another sucker right here. This is a big one. It's already going up so much, so I'm just gonna leave it there. Let's get rid of some of the leaves. One more leaf right here. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of this one. So some of these plants I have already pruned them before, so I didn't really have to do much. So always make sure if you're growing any cucumbers, start pruning them early. Earlier you start, the easier it gets to like maintain them. Cucumbers, I love growing them vertically. By allowing the plants to go vertically up, I have room here to grow other plants if I want. I have some peppers down here. I have some okra that's coming through, and this is amaranth. It's a leaf that you use for making soups. So having a vertical garden gives you the room to plant a lot more.